If you thought today's biggest automotive story couldn't get any more interesting, wait until you hear what happened. And as always, today's episode is brought to you with support from Personamize AI.
When I first read today's headlines, I honestly didn't expect the story to take this direction. There's a lot to unpack, so let's break it all down.
So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive right into today's biggest automotive stories. You know, Maya, something just broke in the automotive world that's really catching my attention. Mexican engineers at the Kia plant in Georgia just won $11.5 million in a lawsuit.
Wow, that's significant. What exactly led to this outcome?
Well, it turns out these engineers were alleging that they were wrongfully placed on the production line instead of being utilized in their actual engineering roles.
That's shocking. I mean, you think about the skills these engineers bring. Putting them on the line sounds like a huge waste of potential.
Exactly. They were brought in as technical experts but found themselves on the assembly line performing tasks far below their qualifications. It raises some serious questions about how companies manage talent and resources.
It really does. This case shines a light on the treatment of workers in the automotive manufacturing sector, especially those from different countries. What do you think that says about Kia's corporate culture?
It suggests there may be some gaps in how they value and utilize their workforce. This isn't just about legal compliance. It indicates a larger issue in effectively integrating diverse talent.
Right. And considering the competitive nature of the auto industry today, it's crucial to leverage every bit of expertise available.
Absolutely, and let's not forget the implications for the broader auto industry. This ruling could set a precedent for how companies treat skilled workers, especially in a globalized workforce.
That's a good point. Other manufacturers will be watching closely. If they see that treating skilled talent unfairly leads to significant financial repercussions, they might think twice before making similar decisions.
Exactly. It could prompt a reevaluation of hiring practices and job assignments across the industry. Companies may need to reassess how they align roles with employee skills and education.
And I wonder how this reflects on Kia's overall brand image. They've worked hard to position themselves as a player, delivering high-quality vehicles. Do you think this could tarnish that reputation?
There's a risk of that, especially if customers start to associate the brand with worker mistreatment. Perception can significantly impact sales. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of corporate ethics and labor practices.
It's a delicate balance, isn't it? On one hand, Kia needs to maintain productivity, but on the other hand, they have a responsibility to uphold fair labor standards.
That's where transparency comes in. If Kia takes steps to ensure that its employees are in suitable roles and that they promote a healthy work environment, they can rebuild that trust.
Speaking of trust, has there been any response from Kia regarding this lawsuit?
So far, they haven't released a comprehensive statement addressing this specific ruling. However, they did mention their commitment to fair treatment of employees.
It seems like an opportunity for them to really step up. They could use this situation to demonstrate how they're planning to change moving forward.
Exactly. This ruling could be a catalyst for necessary changes. The industry is evolving rapidly, especially with technology advancements and a growing emphasis on diversity and inclusion.
Do you think this will influence other brands to reconsider their treatment of engineers and skilled workers?
I believe it will. If competitors see that Kia face significant financial consequences, they may take a proactive approach in ensuring their employees are satisfied and utilized effectively.
It's fascinating to see how one case can ripple throughout the industry. The automotive sector is at a crossroads when it comes to labor practices and technological advancement.
Absolutely. This situation will likely lead to more discussions about worker rights and how companies can better align roles with individual expertise.
And with the rise of electric vehicles and new technologies, the workforce is shifting. Companies will need to focus even more on ensuring that they have the right talent in place.
Exactly. As the industry evolves, the importance of skilled labor, especially in engineering roles, will only grow. Companies that ignore this won't just face legal repercussions, but potentially a loss in innovation and competitiveness.
It'll be interesting to see how Kia and the industry as a whole respond to this. They have the chance to lead by example, and I hope they take it seriously.
Agreed. If they can turn this situation into a positive change, not only for their own brand, but for the industry, that would be a significant win.
Thanks for diving into this topic with me today, Alec. It's always enlightening to explore the implications of such cases in the automotive world.
Absolutely, Maya. It's conversations like these that remind us of the human aspect behind the machines we love.
And I look forward to seeing how this story unfolds. Until next time.
Until next time.